the Mumbai hoarding crash site here in Ghatkopar that has so far claimed about 14 lives. 44 are still being treated for the critical injuries that they've sustained at the government hospitals nearby, and 31 have been treated and discharged. What we've gathered so far, that it was an illegal hoarding that fell over a petrol pump that at the time had about 80 to 90 vehicles stationed or waiting in queue to get their turn to get CNG, petrol or diesel refueled in their cars. What we've also understood, that the most affected area of the petrol pump was where the bikers were lined up, and hence a lot of deaths. Of the total 14 deaths, majorly are presumed to be bikers who were in the queue to get their fuels, to get the tanks fueled up. What we are also understanding is that this particular end of the petrol pump, which was severely affected, also saw a lot of passerbys running towards it for refuge, is exactly when the hoarding came crashing down. Police, along with the NDRF and Mumbai Fire Brigade officials, has been at this rescue operation for the last 24 hours so far. In these 24 hours, about 88 people have been brought out, of which 14 were declared to be dead, whereas 41 have sustained major injuries, and 33 have been treated and discharged from the hospital. But what's happening on day 2 is that the NDRF has now announced that the rescue operation is now officially over. However, the estimation of people being stuck under the rubble was about 100. So to account for the remaining 15 to 20 people who are being estimated to be stuck under, but now are being presumed to be dead by the police officials and the doctors. What we've gathered so far is that now the clearing out of the rubble has started, and NDRF is particularly facing issues with that because this is no regular clearing out of debris or rubble. Because this hoarding fell over a petrol pump, this has made this case entirely tricky and precarious, because there is always a risk of a fire being started out. What you're seeing is a similar hoarding as the 120 by 120 hoarding that fell over the petrol pump right here yesterday due to heavy rains and thunderstorms. These three hoardings that you can see stacked right after each other are also illegal and unauthorized and not authorized by the BMC, as to the similar one that fell yesterday. From what we've gathered so far is that to avoid the risk of a fire being started at the site of the rubble and the debris, the NDRF has a different strategy here. What the NDRF is doing is first spraying a lot of water over the site and then breaking down the pieces of the metal structure into the pieces right there at the site and then bringing it out.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.